too. I don't trust my judgment, cause I'm just 22. And my days run in circles, my heart is out in the rain. I know that this is sudden, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same?
Hello Ruby! Happy birthday! And I wish you all the best in life. Good health always. More love and more peace. Papakabait ka lagi, ha? God bless you. Bye. See you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Char. Happy birthday, RA. God bless you and more blessings and more candles to blow. And stay strong with Tin, okay? So, kita-kits soon. God bless. Happy birthday. Stay safe. Always be beautiful. Bye. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, RA.
Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad kung ano man yung wish mo. May the Lord grant the desire of your heart. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita RA.
Happy birthday, RA. Sana maging healthy ka this year at sa susunod pang mga taon. At maging successful bawat taon, every year. Kayo ni Tin, salamat sa lahat ng mga nagawa nyo dito sa bahay, sa amin, kay Claudette. And wish you all the best and good luck and stay healthy also. Happy birthday!
Hello A, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, namin pala, good health, more blessings to come, and always be happy because you get back.
Hi, Duday.
Happy
birthday. May God bless you always.
And more birthdays to come.
We love you, Duday.
Duday, mamaya pa ako mga 12 midnight.
Bye. Happy birthday again.
Hello, RA. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.